welcome to another one of my cooking shows. First of all, I want to say thank you because I hit 10,000 followers on here, so I'm so excited about that. Love you guys. And I want to show you a recipe today, which is a quick and easy chicken one-pan meal, okay? And it cooks really quick and it's delicious, and you could sop your bread in the juices of it. So it's a chicken with like a white wine chicken stock type of gravy with cherry tomatoes and olives. You're gonna love it. It's quick and easy and you are gonna love it. So let's hang out and let's make this dish. Okay, so you're gonna get yourself a nice large skillet, okay? Because we're gonna make everything in here. And I like to mix butter and olive oil together because extra virgin olive oil, if you put some butter in it, it'll hold the temperature better and it won't burn. Okay, so what I have here is chicken cutlets, all right, that are pounded out my way, the way I cut the chicken cutlets. Actually, my butcher does this for me now. And I coated them with flour and adobo. I like to use adobo for seasoning because it's quick and easy. It has everything in it. So now what we're gonna do is, these are nice and thin. We are gonna sear these chicken cutlets a couple of minutes on each side. You don't want them to cook much because we're gonna cook them again afterwards. We're just letting them like a couple of minutes on each side, and then we're gonna take them out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna do the rest of them just like this. So now the chicken is all seared. We're gonna start over. We're gonna put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. The same. Now we're gonna put, I would say, like 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, here we have about 1.5 pints of cherry tomatoes. Now we're gonna season these tomatoes. We're gonna put salt, and we're gonna put pepper. Guys, already my house smells amazing, okay? Now we're gonna put in some olives. We have about 1 cup of these green olives cut in half. Okay, so I let this cook down for like 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of white wine. Now I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of chicken broth, guys. And we're gonna let this all cook for like 5 minutes all together. I'm also ripping in like a handful of fresh basil over here. Guys, the smell, oh my God, of freshness out of this delicious sauce. The simplicity is amazing. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the chicken all back in here, including the juices on the platter. You don't leave those behind. So we snuggle it. The little juices, you put them in here too. Okay, so now that it came back up to a boil, I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it cook for like another 6-7 minutes all together till it like absorbs all the juices. Is this not beautiful? Look at it. Okay guys, now we're gonna plate myself. Okay, look at how beautiful this is. Look at that. A little more. Like that. I'm gonna put some more olives and some more tomatoes on here. Look at that. Delicious fork tender, guys. Look. You wanna see the way they cut them for me? Fork tender, look at that. Look at that. You do not need a knife for any of my chicken dishes. See that? Look how beautiful this is. Let's try it. Oh my God. Guys, it literally melts in your mouth like butter. Now I just gotta move it to the side because we're gonna do some damage now. Get a nice piece of semolina, like that. Grab a piece of bread. And this is what you need all that juice for, guys. Like that. Piece of olive. Little piece of tomato. Piece of chicken. Perfect bite. Some people say, why do you eat like that? That's so not classy. Guys. Easy recipe. The most delicious things are the easiest to make. That's how I do it, guys. Thank you for the 10,000 followers. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's hit 100,000. Help me, guys. Let's hit 100,000.